promote self-directed learning and effective classroom management by developing daily agendas. Help build a sense of accomplishment for students by developing a routine and simple structures. Let's learn how with Canva. With Canva's daily agenda templates, you can establish a routine and save valuable learning time. Begin by searching the Canva library for daily agendas. Select a design to customize. Edit the text for your classroom context. Insert visual assets for younger students. Once your design is ready for your class to view, select Present. Students can view the daily agenda in full screen mode in class, or access it online by sharing the link like this. Why not take it a step further and create a virtual classroom? Encourage routine and design a designated place for online or hybrid learning. Search for Virtual Classroom. Let's use this template. Customize the text, colors, and elements to create your ideal classroom environment. Engage your students by inserting your Bitmoji into the virtual classroom. Locate the Bitmoji integration under the More tab. Search for the perfect pose. Resize and move your Bitmoji like this. Your students will love seeing a virtual version of you. Level up your virtual classroom by making it interactive. Help students manage their day by inserting links. Attach links to any element in your design like this. Share your virtual classroom in a number of helpful ways. Use a view link and share with students. Embed the design directly into your learning management system such as Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, and more. Students will now be able to easily interact with the virtual classroom. Keep your classroom routines clear and consistent in both the physical and digital world using Canva.